Hey folks, Cully here. This is some aerial footage from a flyover with the Phantom 3 camera drone over Mbizi Caravan Lodge outside Bella Bella in South Africa. Awesome place in the bushveld with some wild animals, heated pool, cold pools, table tennis, trampolines, fishing. Yeah, you can do anything there. Awesome place to relax. We've just gone over the 4x4 track. Now we're looking at the island stands. These are some of the stands for camping and caravans. Then what we're going to do is we're going to do a flyover back over to the actual camping area where the chalets are and the pub and the swimming pool. It's actually got a swimming pool pub, so you can sit in the swimming pool and order from the pub. Um, and then yeah, just a couple of turns over the actual camp area. A nice place to go and visit if you feel like relaxing a little bit. Then Mbizi is the place for you. In any case, this is footage from a Phantom 3 professional camera drone in HD. It's amazing the quality of the footage and how far this thing can go. It's really astonishing. I love it. If you like it and you want to see more of it, please subscribe to our channel or like our page, or hey, you know what? Just spread the word. In any case, enjoy. Cheers.